Hi, it's Jan from velomobielworld.com and I want to show you some things what we did on the website. So we worked last months on a web shop. It's called store.velomobielworld.com. The link will be in the description. You can buy for outside Europe direct there. For people inside Europe, you can go there also to just see. We made a lot of, let's say, if there you click on, let's say, rims. And then you see, for example, if you choose a certain type of rims, you see some more details, and there is also a red little eye there, so you click on it and there comes more information popping up. So we want to make it more clear for everybody, what is the option, what do you get if you choose the option. Make sure when you log in that you put the right shipping address, otherwise you might get the wrong VAT or the wrong shipping costs. Well, that was a pretty big project and it's kind of ready. We put it online. There is some mistakes still, but okay, let's hope that we fix that mistake soon. Then, we made it possible for you to, for example, if you have some questions about which model is the perfect model for you, you can book a video call with me, so I can discuss with you. This video call is mainly intended for outside Europe, but also if you're from Europe and you have some questions, we can help you out, and after it we will redirect you to a dealer. And what else on the website? Yes, technical support. Have also a look on the technical support pages. We built also for example, for the DFXL, we built a technical support pages with exploded views. I think from some other models we did. And we will continue with making videos. For example, here behind me is the W9 and some toys from the kids. So the W9 is here because we're shooting videos, maintenance video for the W9, which is equal with the Alpha 7 and the whole Alpha 9 series. Yeah, we do this in order people can do the maintenance themselves. And we hope to finish in like a half year our web shop for the spare parts. And that's also mainly because we're working there. We built this new building, and because we had no space to store spare parts. So what we want to store we want to build them up front in order when there comes an order in, we can deliver it soon. But we have to see still some points because shipping from Romania is a bit expensive. So we have to see how we will do that part. But at least we need to build first a physically warehouse where we have stuff, where we can keep stuff. So if you cycle with an older Velomobil, we can deliver parts for you. We can also technical support. So there will come also in the technical support, there will come some link that you can book a meeting with me, so I can help you with technical support. And I think that's it, what we did on the website last month. So have a look. Let some feedback behind what you think we should improve on the website, what will be useful for you, which helps you better, to stay cycling with more pleasure with your Velomobil. See you next time. Bye bye.